Hey guys, this is an unboxing of the Tao power bank. It's a tiny power bank that's supposed to be your keychain, and I bought this for around $29 SGD, which equates to about $20 USD. Alright, so it comes into this environmentally friendly cardboard box. Alright, so made in China, and alright, so it just slides out like that. Alright, so this is the green one. I have the black one over here. Okay, so let's take this out. Alright, so it just comes with the charger. So it snaps on magnetically. And this is where your key ring would go. Alright, so caution, while charging your device, the magnetic connector will become hot. That's kind of, so when you're charging this power bank, it will become hot, like this part. I thought like when you're charging your phone, it'll become hot. That would be a bit weird, but that's not the case. Anyways, it's very, very small. I have a pair of Galaxy Buds here as a comparison. It's really small. It's not something that would use up your entire phone, but you know, if you're in a pinch, this is very good. Okay, so it's powered by USB micro B. So let's see how long the cable is. Well, it's not that long actually. It's about a meter in length. It's so if your socket is on the floor, it might not be able to reach like very high, so you might want to change this out, but it should be enough. Alright, so where does it go though? Over here. Okay, so you plug your micro USB cable into there. Alright, and let's see, it's just a normal power bank for demonstration purposes. Alright, so it lights up, letting you know that there's power, and you just slide this in. And then, oh, sorry, wrong side. Slide this in. There's no, it's full. Alright, anyways, we will try charging a device with this. Hang on, let me get my phone. Okay guys, so I'm back with my phone, and I've discovered quite a few things about this thing. Okay, so firstly, you're supposed to mount it like that instead of like that. Alright, so your cable goes in here, and you just stick this on your wall using the included screws or tape. I'm going to be using a tape. I'm just going to be pasting it on my wall like that. So after that, you would you kind of slide this in from the top like that. Alright, there will be a cutout for your cable, so it will snap onto your wall. And whenever you come home, you just slide your charger and your keys back onto the charging dock, and it will charge the power bank. The activity light will show red when it's charging. It'll probably show green when it's full, and when you take it out, it'll just be there. Yep, it turned green. Alright, so the capacity is 1400 milliamps. Okay, so on this side it's the lightning connector, and on the left side it's USB-C, which will charge most of the newer electronic devices these days. Alright, so Let's plug it in. Right, it's charging right now. So with that small capacity, I'm pretty sure you're not gonna, charge your Galaxy Note 9 or Note 10 to 100% from zero. But it will give you enough juice to last you through the night if your phone is just not cutting it, and it will give you an emergency power when you really need it. Alright, it's not going to replace your 10,000 milliamp power bank, but just look at the size differences. 15,000, I think. Yep, it's 15,000. This is like 1/10 the size in capacity, but it's probably a tenth in weight. So this is just very useful if you need the extra power in your pocket, and you're not going to pocket something like that, but you are definitely going to put this in your pocket, right? Okay, so here's the black color one. If I haven't showed it to you earlier, it's very similar. The charging dock is black. Alright, so this will definitely be what I'm going to carry around. It's just such a nice color. Alright, the black one does have a bit of scuff from the factory. I don't know if it will rub off. I'll check on that later. Alright, these parts are rubber, so it's probably a little bit drop resistant. I'm quite happy with this purchase. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe if you like the video. Please subscribe and like the video if you like the video. Alright, thanks for watching. Have a good day.